The judge gave her a second chance, but she went right back and did it again.
Footage from the inside of the car where both are detained, where she actually speaks to the other defendant without the cops being there, and she talks about how she was here and you had told her not to do this anymore. But I think that first video kind of sums everything up.
All right, any evidence with regard to count 1 before I make my finding?
Evidence, Your Honor, in testimony.
And anything that could...
I'm looking at this trying to figure out if that's a legal search. I mean, she appears to be detained, so it's not a Terry search. It's a warrantless search, obviously. She's not under arrest and being searched at the jail.
They didn't search her. They said, if you have something, take it out. She took it out and she placed it on. They didn't even have to get to the search.
I guess she could have refused and remained silent.
But she didn't, and so...
Followed the direction. And there's no Miranda issue since she wasn't arguably in custody. I don't have any argument. I will go ahead and object that that's an illegal search.
All right, that objection's overruled. I am going to find count 1 true. And so, let me see, I need to... Counts 2 and 3, she pled true to, so there's a finding of true. Count 2, again, everyone's had an opportunity to review that pre-sentence report. Mr. Kemmler, you may make argument with regard to punishment.
Yes, Your Honor. At this stage now that the state has offered evidence as to count, as to be a new offense, and the court's found that to be true based on the evidence, I think the recommendation comports with the state of the record. I would, again, defer to the probation department, but I think that they're seeming to indicate that the court is to keep her on probation, that she enter into the ISF.
Caught on camera, making excuses. I was with the wrong person.
Program, cognitive track, and I would defer to that recommendation in lieu of revocation.
Mr.
A proposal, I suppose,
with the pending charge of this theft, she's not eligible to go to ISF.
If I may, she's set on that today. I can resolve that today in this court.
No, it's pending in felony.
It's here, it's mine.
Okay.
Because it's a prior thefts.
All right.
She's done with misdemeanor thefts.
We could resolve that perhaps today, Your Honor, if the court.
I mean, go ahead.
I feel like we have given her every possible chance to rehabilitate, and she has not taken that. We would ask that she be revoked and given, based on the number of thefts committed, that she be revoked and sent to the state jail for 2 years.
Ms. Lopez, do you have anything else to add to your updated report?
Everything in my recommendation.
All right.
Do you want to address the judge?
Yes. I feel like I did, how can I say this? I feel like I can finish my probation off because of the simple fact, like, this is the longest I've ever been away from my kids besides when I did 8 months, but they was younger than me, and like I was younger, and like they understand what's going on. And I understand, and like me being away from my kids right now is really hard. Because they be with my mama, and my mama had dementia. And she...
Stop with everybody else. Because I'm not going to make my decision today based on the fact that you have kids or based on the fact that your mom needs you, because you weren't thinking about that day. So don't put that on me.
No.
That if I send you to prison, that I'm somehow going to be hurting your kids or hurting your mom. You've done that. You were on felony probation, and it sounds like if the other video was played, you knew exactly what was going to happen. If what Mr. Smith is saying is true, that y'all were in that car and you said, Judge West said, I better not do this again, and you did it again. It just makes me look like an idiot for giving you the opportunity in the first place. At some point, you have to stop. At some point, you have to stop. Anything else?
Judge, even based on what she told probation is, she wants to be reinstated on probation. She was just with the wrong person. The girl was with she was with already took probation. I
Right.
wasn't the one stealing.
Yeah,
So she
I made a
doesn't
note of that.
Accept responsibility.
How this is my responsibility.
Do you accept your responsibility
The judge snapped back, "No, you are the wrong person."
now that we saw it on a video? You didn't accept your responsibility. You said you were with the wrong person. I'm gonna tell you like I tell everybody else, you are the wrong person. She was with the wrong person. Y'all were with the wrong, you're all, if you're in there doing it, you are the wrong person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you didn't take responsibility. You haven't taken responsibility. You were given this opportunity after having felonies and going to state jail for the same offense, and I gave you a probation, and I said, don't do it again. So at this time, I'm going to find again, count one, that there was sufficient evidence to find count one true, find it true, find that you pled true to counts 2 and 3, find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time, revoke your probation, sentence you to a term of 15 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to,
I'll get the other one worked out today.
okay, I'll hold it while y'all do that, and then while I'm doing that, I need a, yeah, I'll hand you the trial court certification in just a minute after y'all do that on this case that shows this was not an agreement. You have some limited rights to appeal. If y'all want to go visit about the other one, I'll hold it. All right, go ahead, go back that way.
One decision destroyed her second chance. Subscribe for more courtroom moments.